Mr. P, get it, that official Mr. P. Yeah, Mr. P, get it, that official Mr. P. Yeah, Mr. P, get it, that official Mr. P. Yeah.
What is up, guys, and welcome to another card unboxing right here on the official Mr. P YouTube channel. And this is so excited. It says look for exclusive winners, winner parallels. Unwrap the first rookies from the 2018-2019 NBA draft class. There's 8 cards per pack, 11 cards, or 11 packs per box. There's 88 cards in total, and we are promised at least one autograph or one memorabilia card. So, and this is the 2018-2019 NBA Panini Hoops card. So let's get to unboxing. Got my handy dandy knife there. And go ahead and take this wrap off. Alright, so here we go, folks. Getting into the box. Alright, there we go. Got Steph Curry on the box. Alright, so here we have all 11 packs, and so I'm going to put them over here. Okay, so I'm going to put them over there, and let's get started. Pack number 1. See what we got to work with here. Oh, right off the bat, here we go. There it is. There's the auto. Well, that's disappointing. I always like to wait till the end, kind of. But anyways, there we have it. That's our auto. So that's the one we was promised. All right. Put that over to the side. There's an insert. Didn't see any rookies in that. Oh, look at this. It's got the snowflakes on it. I just noticed that. That's cool. Okay, pack number 2. See what we got going on in pack number 2. Karl Malone. So, pretty nice cards. I do like the style of these. Especially these, because they have the snowflakes, which sets them apart from the others. So these are special. Okay, my light fell. Alright. Okay, there we go. Ooh, there's a rookie. I've not seen any of those so far in here. Paul George. That's a pretty card. I like those cards. I really like the inserts in these. The different inserts, the designs that they've got on them. There's a rookie. Here's a rookie. And here's a rookie. So there we have 3 rookies in that pack. Alright, here we go with another pack. I think this is number 3. Who knows? Who knows? Alright, there's another rookie. Klay Thompson. Rudy Gay. Another nice insert here, the Marcus Aldridge. We've got Corey Joseph here. Jeremy Lin. Justin Jackson. Alright, so that pack went pretty quick. Let's do another one here. There we have Stephen Curry. Devin Booker. Miles Bridges, rookie. There's another rookie. Oh, this is a nice card. Darius Miller, former Kentucky player. Mason Plumlee, Austin Rivers. Here we have another pack. I lost count. I usually do. I get excited and I lose count. Alright, there's one. Damian Leonard, I don't know. Raymond Felton, Gerald Green. Here's another insert. This is of Kemba Walker. Nice insert card. Jeremy Lamb, DJ Augustine, Stanley Johnson. Here's another pack. We're getting close to the end, folks, here. Harrison Barnes. Oops. Oscar Robertson. Insert. Al Horford. Let's see. Ooh, there's a Bam. Napier. There we have those. Alright, so not a whole lot of rookies out of these. Quite a few inserts. We did get that auto. All in all, it's still not that bad. Rajon Rondo. I'm gonna miss all the Kentucky guys from on the Pelicans team. I really am. I like, you know, all of them being together. Because you had Rondo and Darius Miller and DeMarcus Cousins, Anthony Davis. It's pretty neat. Okay. To have all those Kentucky guys down there at one NBA on one NBA team. Here's another rookie. Here's another rookie. Chris Dunn. Green. Ooh, Rajon Rondo. Get out of the way. I like it. Paul Millsap. Dwight Howard. Dwight's moved around quite a bit lately. Kemba Walker. I don't think Dwight can find a home yet. What do you all think? Dwight finally home with this, or is he going to move again? Is he going to trade? Dwayne Wade. There's another rookie. John Wall. Jonathan Simmons. Jonathan Isaacs. I think I've already got one of these cards, but I don't have it with the snowflakes. So, that's cool. Okay. This is the last pack, y'all. The last pack. There's another rookie. Here we've got another rookie. Insert. Joe Harris. Thaddeus Young. Tyler Dorsey. Alright, folks. Well, there you have it. So this is the money, I guess, the prize winning card, I guess you could say, that was in the box. So yeah, that was another card unboxing. It's been a while since Walmart's had those types of boxes in, at my local Walmart anyways, and so I had to buy a couple of them and open them for you guys. So there you have it. Peace out, y'all. The official Mr. P was performed in front of a recording camera.